Hi, you are welcome. So we are going to look at this question under algebraic fractions. Reduce 22a squared over 21 divided by 2a over 5 plus a over 3 into simplest term. So as normal fraction, that is fractional numbers without algebraic expression or terms. Yes, so we deal with them in the same manner. The only difference there is that algebraic fractions has algebraic terms. So when we say algebraic terms, is a term that mostly will be made up of coefficients and a variable. So a coefficient is the number before the variable, the unknown term, which is a. So in algebra, we make use of letters to represent numbers. So that is what we refer to as algebraic term. And at times, an algebraic terms may not have variable. So in that case, that could be referred to as constant term. So for this lesson, so let's see how we are going to solve this. So we have 22a squared over 21 divided by 2a over 5 plus a over 3. So this is addition of fraction. So we can solve this using that simpler method. So where we cross multiply and then we multiply the denominator to simplify that. So why are we doing this in the brackets first? Yes, don't forget the rule of the order of operation. So we have the what? The pendants. Pendants. Or in another version of it, we have BIDMAS. So meaning the P is parenthesis or brackets. So in that manner, we first solve what is in the bracket before we now jump on to the division. So that is why we are going to start with this. So here we have 3 times 2a, we have 6a, and then 5 times a. So we have plus 5 times a, that is 5a. Then 5 times 3, that will give us 15. So here we have 22a squared over 21. Now, here we can simplify this. We have 6a plus 5a, that is 11a when we put them together. So we have 11a over 15. And here we have 22a squared over 21. So now, also, when we have division of fraction, so there's a particular mantra we do use here, and that is keep, change, and flip. So in that case now, we can do this in this manner. So we keep the first fraction. So we have 22a squared over 21. Then change times, then we flip. So 15 over 11a. Now we can simplify by cutting the common factors out. So here 3 is common, 3 here, 5, 3 here, 7. Also 11 is common here, a is also common, a here. So we have 2a here. So a times a. So we'll cancel 1. So we are left with a there. Also 11. 11 here, 1. 11 here, 2. So we are left with 2a times 5. So 2a times 5. And then we also have 7 times 1. So this one will give us 10a over 7. So that is the solution to this question. So as we are asked to simplify it in the simplest term. Another question under algebraic expression. So reduce the algebraic fraction to its lowest term. So you see how we are going to go about this. So here we can just try to break down the algebraic term and the one we have here as well, so that we see what is common. So we have 10 here. So 10 times a square times b raised to power 3 times c. And also we have 25 times a raised to power 4 times b times c square. Now, the common factor for 10 and 15, that is 5. So we can just express 10 as 5 times 2 times 5. Then we have the a times, so a square means a times a. Then the b cube, that is b times b times b. Then we have times c. So all the terms are broken down now. So we have here, we also have 25 can be expressed as 5 times 5. So then we have a raised to power 4, a times a, that is repeated in 4 places, times b times c times c. So now we can just cut out the common factors. So 5 here, 5 here. So that is gone. So a, we have a, a here, a here. So then b cancel b here. Then c, we have c, c. So here we have 2 times, that is b times b. So all over 5 times, we have a times a times a, then times c. So here 2 b times b, that will give us b square. Then we have 5. So a times a, that is a square, and c times c. So we put them together like this. So we have simplified this algebraic fraction to its simplest form. So here we cannot simplify it further. So this is our answer. I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you see more content like this. See you next time.